In this video we are going to demonstrate the Frogger game. For that, once we start the application, it will give me a small pop-up screen from which I can select create new game. It will then lead to a bigger window. From this drop down we can either choose to open a previously saved game or create a new game. In this case I'm just going to name it Frogger. It will then load the basic game maker application. Once that is loaded, we can go to sprite selector and choose any image. We're going to need a road and we can alter its size. Once that is done, we can drag it onto the gameplay panel and reposition it using dragging. We'll also need some obstacles, so I'm going to choose some cars. We can then go on to choose a frog and change its size and make it look bigger. We also need a game win object, so I'm going to choose this peanut. And then we can assign events and actions to all of these. For that, you can select any of the sprites and then go to event panel and choose its actions. On time change, this should move towards right, and on collision it should lead to game lose condition. Similarly for the other car, on time change it will move towards left, and on collision it will lead to game lose condition. We can then position these cars on the road. This peanut is the game win object, so on collision we choose game win, and we can also play some sound. Let's say game win sound. Then frog, it should be controlled by user, so we say key press and hop, and we can also attach some sound to it when key is pressed. Let's say hop sound, and it can also collide, so we just say play sound, hop. Once that is done, we can click on play button, which will start the game.